I know, and I still like cookies.
Dang. He's a rebel. Hello and welcome. My name is Melody from MelodyCrochet, and this is my husband's sponsor enabler, Justin.
Hi.
We'll call him Justin Crochet.
Well, there it is.
There it is. And this is my 2021 Happy New Year, Happy New Year's Eve party yarn giveaway.
Happy New Year.
Why? Because this year I haven't given anything away.
What?
Which is not like me. But I didn't want to get anybody sick. But I think we're all now ordering things, receiving things, going through our own personal process once they arrive. And I feel confident sending things to people.
Okay.
Okay? So the Etsy store will probably be back open too.
Okay.
But yarn giveaway. I actually had quite a bag when we moved of things for giving away yarn.
Yes, we moved this last year.
We did. It was actually a great year for us.
It was a great year. We had a very busy year.
With an undertone of stress.
Yes.
In order to get started though, now this is apple cider because I'm not giving away yarn and drinking.
Right.
Because
Well, you're going to give away apple cider.
no, I'm going to give away yarn, but I'm not getting drunk. And then just haphazardly throwing yarn at people. It's not that good of a party.
Wait, so you're going to be giving this away while drinking your apple cider?
Yes.
Dang.
I know.
Oh my God.
Trader
Wow.
Joe got me. Get it, Hunter. Get it.
Well, there, he's got purpose now.
He's walking away now. Now he walks away. And for you.
Oh, thanks.
I feel like there was animosity in your oh thanks.
Oh, no, not at all. I will take me some apple cider. I will love me some apple cider.
These are in Justin's military ball glasses.
Yes, from a very long time ago.
Hoorah.
Hoorah, simplify. All right, thank you.
I think we're supposed to go a little sideways tilty here. Oh man,
Oh,
this
like that?
apple fluff is happening.
Oh,
Busy.
Nikes.
Okay. So Justin, what has been... Wait, you hold this for me?
Sure, I'll hold that
Thank
for
you.
you.
What has been your favorite new purchase of this year?
Probably your computer.
Oh, got a laptop.
Yes, she got a laptop so she can edit videos in the living room or wherever she
Because
wants.
he has his own channel, Happy Home Crafts. And on it, he's editing videos. And it's really hard to edit videos
At the same time.
at the same time while sitting by each other.
Right.
Unless you want to put headphones on, and we're not that kind of people.
Right.
So, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Let's give away some yarn.
Okay.
Okay. Now, first and foremost, this is from my stash.
That's got
this
some
is
apples.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Appley goodness.
Some appley goodness.
I smell it.
Yes, it's very appley.
I'm like, wow.
Go for it. Try your apple.
Apple cider.
Apple away.
That could use something else in it.
Yeah.
This is from my stash. All of it. Please note, I have 2 dogs and a cat. And while we keep the yarn away from them and they are in fear of the yarn, I don't want to hurt anybody. Okay. That's the theme of the last year. Don't hurt nobody. Doing our vision boards. Justin finished framing my vision board for 2021.
It looks pretty cool, actually.
I'll go get it.
Sure.
Shut down.
You do is put on your collage of ideas.
And then he made me a frame. He just got the stuff from what store? The molding?
moldings from Lowe's.
From Lowe's. And then we used mirror chrome spray paint
Uh-huh.
on the edges. And it just turned out beautiful.
Yep, it's going to be very cool.
Very cool. Super excited. Okay. First and foremost, we're going to be giving away this set of crochet hooks. Because I bought somebody one for a giveaway. And this one came with a blemish. And I went ahead and ordered another one instead of returning it because it was just easier at the time. And they're really good hooks, actually. If you're looking for a set for while you're wandering away, this is going to be great for you. Some of the numbers rubbed here, but they are imprinted on the side, which is so cool. While the paint is rubbing off on one side, if you turn it over, it's pressed, like stamped inside. And it comes with the scissors and a bunch of needles and markers, and she's included. And isn't she pretty in the white? 2 of these. Ooh, aren't they fluffy? This is the Yarn Bee Marblesque. And it's absolutely beautiful. I just don't see me using it.
It's very soft.
Yes, very soft. It's got wool, acrylic, and alpaca. And they're lovely. Very pearly.
Hmm.
You're like, please get it away from me.
No, it's pretty. There you go.
And then we got one of these. This is Delish Boutique. It's also got a little alpaca. Alpacas are my spirit animals. You probably didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that?
Except for the noise they make.
I like the noise.
That's it. You like that noise? Have you all heard an alpaca that's not happy? It is not a noise you want echoing through your head.
What's it sound like?
Ah!
See?
Sounds just like that.
So we have one of those. We, of course, have two in the name Derby Fair Isle Red Heart Super Savers. Just because I'm not sure what made me buy yarn where the complement color is navy blue when I only wear black. This isn't going to work. It's just not going to work between us.
It makes some cool socks.
You want? Okay. Then we have something black and glittery, which is absolutely beautiful.
That's got some glitter.
It is super glittery. This is the Soft and Sleek Yarn Bee Low Pill Fiber. In black, I imagine. They call it number 37.
That's mysterious.
Mm-hmm.
Number 37.
And I got a lot of this. I kind of got a lot of this.
Yeah, you do. And it's
I
super
do.
fluffy.
It's super fluffy and they're beautiful. And every once in a while you would find it for such a fabulous
What is that?
price. Like, it's yarn.
Well, I know. I bet. What's it made out of?
This is made out of, you get, it's 58% cotton. So that's center strand probably. 39% acrylic and 3% other. And yeah, it's got these beautiful maroons and rouges and pink and oh my gosh, so pretty.
Probably the cotton that looks so soft on it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's got a little bit of a halo going on and you get a lot of it. The ball comes with, they say it's a whole shawl in a ball, so you can make that whole thing with this.
It's poetry.
Yeah.
It's a whole shawl in a ball.
Oh my gosh. And you know what they say, if something rhymes, it's true.
Yes.
Oh, here we go. You get 518 yards in this 150 gram ball. So you will have a shawl. For my sock knitting or crocheting friends is Regia Fudig color.
That looks expensive.
Huh?
Got like $1 million price tag on it.
Do you want me not to give it away?
No. Please do.
Okay, it was $20. It's true.
That's like $1 million.
It is kind of like $1 million.
Yeah.
But I got these for the ball, and I just don't think a colorway could be less me. I mean, I've never worn any of these colors. Have I?
I don't think so.
I mean, it was great for the pumpkin spice latte feel and everything, but around fall and Halloween, I'm more of a black and purple person.
And Christmas. And New Year's.
Pretty much all the time. So we're going to be putting this sock weight massive ball of, I think it's almost all wool, but it's Regia 6-ply, which is this, and it's 75% wool, virgin wool. I didn't ask questions. And 25% polyamide.
What's polyamide?
It's kind of like nylon. It's the strengthener. If you just have wool in a sock, it's going to have holes in it really fast.
Okay.
And the other fabric and the other fiber is in there to make it strong. So it's a good thing to not just have full wool. Some people can get away with it if they're like soft walkers. But like if I put full wool socks on your feet, you'd have a hole in them by the end of the day, literally.
Oh, wow.
You're aggressive. I've seen you.
I'm an aggressive walker.
Yeah.
That's cuteness right
It's
there.
so cute. And if you have a little one that doesn't have a massive head, I want you to make this for them.
How big of it supposed to be?
It's a normal size hat if you knit, but if you crochet, it's gonna be a kid's hat.
Oh.
So if you knit, your set. This is going to be adult hat fully if you're going to be cool with the pom-pom. It comes with the pom-pom. It's so cute. They're called the chunky cupcakes. They work up so quickly, but for crocheting, you'd need a little bit more yarn. Probably. I like my hats long. So do you.
Mm-hmm.
If this was like shorter, yeah. And this is also fabulous. This was from my yarn crawl visit last time, and it's beautiful. Very pumpkin spicy. I was in a very strong pumpkin spice moment.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm never going to use that. You think I will? You think I should give it another chance?
I think you have a lot of things to give another chance.
My addiction a couple years ago.
Your what?
I had an addiction a couple years ago.
What is it?
I pulled this out just to like show it to you guys. But it's a wrap rainbow, 55% acrylic, 45% cotton. And I believe there was an argument about the size. Like this says it's fingering weight, but it came up as like a little bit thicker than that when people worked with it. But 2 cakes of it for your summer.
What was the addiction?
Yarn cakes with fingering weight yarn. Like little yarn.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Does that make little things?
no, you make big things out of it
Oh,
that take forever.
gotcha.
Which, you know, I'm a patient person by nature.
Okay.
How did you lie like that?
I didn't. I disagreed.
Oh.
It's different.
And this is 2 bowls of the pink buttercream, which is wonderful. I was going to make a hat and cowl situation with it, but can you visualize me out there, out and about?
That's actually kind of cute. I actually like that.
You think I should be in pink?
Sure. Get a little fuzzy on there.
Fuzzy Wuzzy, was it this?
Mm-hmm.
You thinking? But I was thinking great big old hood with a connected cowl.
That would be cute, actually.
Mm-hmm. Super cute. But I don't think so. Again, with my skinny yarn cake addiction, the It's a Wrap, it's still in stores. It's just skinny yarn.
Oh, okay.
And it's just the tiniest thread length though. Yeah, you get 2 of them. I like crochet thread. It's just, I haven't used it. I've had it for a few years now. So it should go, don't you think?
I have a rule.
2 of those. Oh man.
If you don't use it, lose it.
Right?
Otherwise, you start getting too much.
We don't like stuff.
Mm-mm.
Not big on stuff. And I overbought, this is like last week, I overbought my green. I was making link hats for the new Legends of Zelda game, which
She has video on it, I think. Or did you not post it?
I was supposed to, it was supposed to be last week's video, but do you remember my hands last week?
Oh, yes.
I couldn't crochet last week.
The dry air is vicious out here right now.
It came all at once. My knuckles were literally cracked. You could still kind of see the redness, but they're not open anymore, which is fabulous. And my cat scratched me. So my hands were basically a horror story overnight. I'm like,
I'm not showing the world
I
this.
can't do this to people. That's gross. So I used...
So there was a link hat made for a
So
video.
I have my hat. I have my pattern.
Right.
I will do the thing. And I have lots of this. But I figure one of them should probably go. Because this yarn, if you haven't used it over at Michael's, I think you should.
Why don't you make gloves with just your fingers coming out, and then you can crochet with it.
Mysterious fingers. Mysterious fingers. Boop. But as it were, Craftsmart, value yarn, they sell it over at Michael's. It's literally like, I think I paid $1.80 for this. And it's really nice. It's softer than Red Heart Super Saver. I love Red Heart Super Saver. This is not trash talking them. I have over there every color of Red Heart Super Saver that I've ever found.
Yes.
And it's my collection.
She actually gets very excited when
Why
you
not?
see that in the store.
When I see one that I've never gotten before, I did get one this last week. Let me share. I've never seen this color before. It's medium sage? No, light sage.
I like that.
Isn't this beautiful?
That's really cool.
That's a beautiful color because they have the sage, like the really light one, and they have one that's darker than this. It's kind of like an army green, and this is the perfect in the middle color. Highly suggest if you see light sage for you to go for it. And then I found one a couple weeks ago that I shared on a video that I made the other day.
Oh, it's purple.
It's kind of like the sky when you wake up in the morning. This one's actually called like jasmine, but periwinkle, I have no idea why they call it that. I don't know if that's like...
Huh. Maybe that's a flower too?
Maybe so. I've never heard... If you know where the word periwinkle came from, let us know, please, down below. But yes.
Because it sounds like it, like, you
Light
know,
jasmine.
your great uncle or something.
I figure it sounds like your pony.
That could be your pony.
It's totally your pony. Periwinkle.
Right?
Yeah. We're reading Black Beauty because we homeschool. And we're reading Black Beauty right now. I cannot stand animal stories. They just make me not like people.
There's a lot of animal yuck in there. How'd they put that much animal cruelty in one book?
He's such a good horse, you know?
Poor guy.
It's okay
Poor
though.
horse.
We're gonna get through. I know it ends well. I've seen the movie. But yeah, it's like, the animal stories get me.
Right.
It's either, all the stories this year are either about animals or orphans. I'm like, are they trying to say something?
That's been the stories from all time.
Right? I know. It does not. This is, in case you're wondering if you should buy it. That's the stuff inside. Boop. It just kind of, we did this together when we reviewed it. And we wanted to see what was inside of it. So that's what's inside, in case you're curious. And it's outdoor yarn.
It's strong.
I think it's just called Decor. I know it's Bernat. I think it's just Bernat Decor in turquoise. And it's beautiful. I just haven't used it for anything. And I figure I might not. I want to get it to a home where somebody might use it. But it's
There you
awesome,
go.
right?
Yeah. Whoa.
This was kind of expensive too. This was 20 something.
That one's awesome though.
It's really
The colors
pretty,
on that.
But I gotta tell you, I did a fingering weight yarn shawl last October.
It's like a beehive and a tornado.
Mm-hmm. That is beautiful, babe. It's a beautiful sentiment. But this is really pretty. It's called Soleil, and it's from Katya. Got it at the yarn store. And I'm just not gonna use it. It's predominantly cotton, fingering weight, and I figure she needs to go to a good home. And this is another ball of Delish.
Delicious.
Right? This one's pink. Oh, this one's gonna be in the package.
It's pretty.
It is really pretty. And this, Isaac Mizrahi from Michael. He needs a good home. He's really cool. He'd make a great hat. But I can't push it off on my guys because there's pink in it and they're not that open-minded yet.
You have to be open-minded.
To wear pink?
I'll wear pink. I don't care.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I won't wear it outside.
You won't.
Won't go anywhere with it on.
But you'll wear it.
But I'll wear
I think we're good. Until next month.
Until then.
Until then. So in order to join, all you have to do is find one of my tutorials, leave a comment saying that you love yarn, or just hi. I'm good with that. Make sure you're subscribed, or I can't talk to you on the channel anyway. I can't like contact you if you're not subscribed to me. They won't tell me how. They're like, you don't need to talk to people who aren't subscribed to you. This is our way of saying Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year's.
Make all the things in 2021. Please leave a comment down below if you'd like to join in, and leave a comment on one of my other videos, just because I hear that that's important.
Make this year awesome.
Make this year awesome, because it's just so good to be around. And good luck and Happy New Year.
Happy
We
New
need
Year.
a cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.